Today's video is a what sold on eBay edition, including several bolo items that you should be on the lookout for. Each of these items sold for $50 or more, resulting in over $400 in recent eBay sales. These are items that I have personally sourced at thrift stores, garage sales, and Goodwill within the last couple of months. These are hot items to help you make money online. I will go through the items in ascending order from low to high, so be sure to stick around until the end of the video to see what items sold for the most money on eBay. My name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. As a reseller, I purchase items at a low cost at garage sales and thrift stores and flip them for a higher profit on eBay and similar sites. Today's What Sold video is a flip fast for cash edition. These items sold within the last month in just a matter of days. Now let's get started. The first item to sell on eBay for over $50 that sold fast was this comfy oversized Sherpa blanket hoodie. I paid $4 at a thrift store. It sold on promotion for $46.74 plus 16 shipping. After fees and the actual shipping charge, my profit was $41.16. After this comfy sold, I did find another one in pink at my Goodwill for $3.50. I did try it on and I've been wearing it ever since. But in looking at the comparative solds, maybe I should sell it. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the section below and let me know. Keep or sell the comfy. The next item was a pair of athletic running shoes. I purchased these for $8 at Goodwill. I accepted a best offer of $50 plus $12 shipping. My net profit, $37.21. These shoes weren't in too bad of shape. They weren't that dirty. I did take a wet wash rag and wipe off the top and around the bottom of the soles. Many resellers will go to great lengths to clean tennis shoes, the upper canvas, as well as the soles of the shoes. I am not one of those resellers. I will simply state in the listing that they are pre-owned shoes. They have been worn and may show signs of dirt or wear. I did not try to clean the shoes, but the buyer can, and that seems to work just fine. The next item to sell were these Birkenstock ballet flat shoes. They appeared new without the box. I paid $2 at Goodwill. The clerk actually thought they were slippers, so she charged me just $2. I accepted a best offer of $50 plus $10 shipping. My net profit after fees and the actual shipping charge, $44.55. The next item to sell was this neck brace. I picked it up at a garage sale. It was new in the package. They charged me $2 at the garage sale. I accepted a best offer of $50 plus $12 shipping. My net profit, $40.69. Again, this just goes to show that anything will sell on eBay. And when I saw that it was new in the package at the garage sale for just $2, I picked it up. Now you will want to be careful of selling medical supplies on eBay. Those that require a prescription are not allowed to be sold on eBay. Next up, we have this vintage Western cowgirl shirt. It's a pearl snap front, shiny satin rodeo wear shirt. I purchased it at a Goodwill for $3.50. I picked this up at Goodwill based on style and its uniqueness. I had not seen a shirt like this before in a Goodwill out here in Wyoming. The brand is new to me. It's HRC California Ranchwear. I did look up comps in the store, and the comps looked pretty good, anywhere from $75 to $100. So I priced mine high at $124.99. I accepted a best offer of $68 plus $7 shipping. My net profit, $57.42. And the last eBay sale for the most money was this Sunset Stitchery kit, new in the package. It's a Christmas stocking with Santa Claus on the front, vintage from 1978. I purchased this at a garage sale for $1. It sold for my full asking price of $89.99 on a 10% promotion, plus $7 shipping. My net profit, $68.70. I sell a lot of these Stitchery kits throughout the year, not just at Christmas time. Typically, they will sell on Amazon for quite a bit of money. But this one sold for my full price on eBay, so that was a little surprising. Do you pick up Stitchery kits? If so, what brands do you look out for? That wraps up the 6 items that I recently sold on eBay for over $50 each, resulting in over $400 in gross sales. Stick around until the end of the video where I will go over the numbers, including my net profit on all of them. But first, how's everyone doing? Do you like this video? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. And now, on to the numbers. These were 6 items that I selected that sold for over $50 each on eBay. Total sales plus shipping was $418.70. eBay fees calculated at 13%, $49.73. My actual shipping charge, $50.04. My purchase price for 6 items was $20.50, leaving my net profit before taxes of $298.50. I share this what sold information with you so you can also find these items to flip for a higher profit online. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. I've linked the What Sold playlist on the screen below to help you determine what sells on eBay and similar sites. Continue watching and I'll catch you in the next video.